Hey there, SaaS enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned founder or just starting out, challenges are part of the journey. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 challenges every SaaS founder faces and offering actionable solutions. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Challenge 1 is product market fit. This is the heart of any SaaS venture. Many founders believe they have the next big idea, but the market might not see it that way. Regular feedback is your best friend. Engage with your target audience, conduct surveys, and host focus groups, and understand their pain points, and iterate their product. Remember, a product that evolves based on user feedback is mostly likely to succeed. So your second challenge is going to be scaling too quickly. We all dream of exponential growth, but there is a dark side. Premature scaling could drain your resources and lead to operational nightmares. So sustainable growth should be your mantra. Before scaling, ensure you have a solid foundation. That means loyal customer base, a reliable revenue stream, and processes that can handle growth. It's not about how fast you grow, it's how well you sustain that growth. Number 3 is customer churn, the challenge. Acquiring a new customer can cost 5 times more than retaining an existing one. Yet many founders focus solely on acquisition, neglecting retention. So you want to invest heavily in customer support and success. Regular check-ins, training sessions, feedback loops can ensure that users derive value from your product. A happy customer is not a retained customer. They can become your brand ambassador and bring more customers through word of mouth. Challenge 4 is navigating the competitive landscape. A SaaS world is crowded, and the standing out is tough. Your unique selling proposition, or USP, is your beacon. What can your product do that others can't? Maybe it's a feature, so perhaps it's an exceptional customer service you offer. Highlight your USP in every piece of communication. Remember, in a sea of sameness, even a small differentiation could be a big splash. And then finally, and this is a big one, is funding and cash flow. Money keeps the wheels turning. But balancing operational costs with growth investments is like running on a tightrope walk. Diversify your funding options. When bootstrapping gives you control, venture capital can fuel rapid growth. Always have a financial buffer and keep the eagle eye on your cash flows. Financial prudence today can prevent a crisis tomorrow. Now, these challenges might seem daunting. Remember, every successful SaaS founder has faced it and overcome it too. And you can too. If you're keen to dive in deeper, understand where your SaaS venture stands, and get personalized insights, I have something just for you. Click on the link below and participate in our free SaaS assessment tailored to your needs. This assessment will provide actionable feedback and set you on the path to SaaS success. So thanks for tuning in. If you guys found this video successful, hit the thumbs up, share it with your network. Make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe more for more SaaS wisdom. But until then, keep innovating, and remember, challenges are just opportunities in disguise. Take care, guys.